Hey guys, my name is Victor Brian, and today I want to show you how to export high quality TikTok videos using DaVinci Resolve. Now, TikTok has become a very popular site for videos, rivaling YouTube and Instagram. So I want to show you how we export your TikTok videos, your 15-second TikTok videos using DaVinci Resolve.
Alright guys, we're going to create a new project. So let's just click down here, new project. Let's rename this to TikTok and hit enter and wait for it to load. Now right away guys, inside the timeline, so I'm going to import my clip by dragging and dropping. Let me just go under there. So I'm going to drop this time directly into the timeline, the clip directly into the timeline. I'm going to unlink this clip because I don't need the audio. So I'm going to close the media pool. Now right away guys, we realize that this video won't work for TikTok because TikTok has the same settings as Instagram. So we're going to go under these settings cog below here, and under timeline resolution I'm going to go below here and I'm going to enter 1080 by 1920, which actually is 91920, and I'm going to hit save, and right away we have our frame that has already changed. Now we realize that this video is still, it has some black bars below here and above here. So what you're going to do, we're going to select the clip below here and you're going to go under the transform. If your transform is not showing your settings, then you need to go and double click it. So we are just under the inspector, and then we're going to go under the zoom. We're going to zoom our clip right there, let's say that size, but we realize that we have some space here and we want him to be at the center. Now we're going to go under anchor point X to pan across right or left. If you wanted to pan the clip high or low, we're going to go under anchor point Y, which actually we don't want to do that right now. So let me just pan the X position alone, and that's it. We already so that's how you reframe the clips to fit the TikTok timeline. So right away you're going to go under the delivery tab after you've done all the color grading, and you can decide to export it under the highest quality H.264, or you can just export under the custom, so which actually I'm going to do the H.264, and I'm going to export the clip. That is how you do it. It's really simple guys. So that's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, share my videos guys. This is how we're going to learn DaVinci Resolve together, and see you next week guys.